In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the character count feature in Microsoft Word. Whether you're crafting an essay, preparing a report, or writing a novel, keeping track of your character and word count is essential. Microsoft Word makes this extremely easy, and I'm here to walk you through every step of the process. Let's dive straight into it. First things first, you'll need to have Microsoft Word available on your PC or desktop. For most users, Microsoft Word is a staple application, but if you don't have it yet, make sure you download it from the official Microsoft website. This ensures you have the latest version with all the necessary features, including the character count tool we're discussing today. Once Microsoft Word is up and running, start by opening the application. You'll be greeted with the option to choose from various templates or documents. For our purpose today, you can select a blank document or open any document you're currently working on. This flexibility means you can keep track of your character count on both new projects and existing ones. Now, here's where the magic happens. With your document open, you might be typing away, lost in your thoughts and words. However, when the time comes to check the length of your document, Microsoft Word has made it incredibly easy. Simply glance at the bottom left side of your screen. Do you see where it lists the word count? That's your gateway to more detailed statistics about your document. Click on the Words section at the bottom left corner. This action opens up the word count dialog box, a treasure trove of information at your fingertips. In this dialog box, you're not just seeing how many words you've typed. Microsoft Word also offers a comprehensive breakdown that includes the number of characters, both with and without spaces. This distinction is crucial depending on the requirements you're working under. Some guidelines specify a character limit including spaces, while others do not. Understanding the difference and knowing how to find this information quickly can save you a tremendous amount of time and effort. For instance, if you're preparing a document with specific requirements for submissions like a university essay or a submission to a writing contest, having this information at a glance ensures you're always within the set guidelines. Now, here are a few additional tips to optimize your workflow in Microsoft Word. Remember, the character count feature isn't just for when you have finished your document. It's a great tool to use throughout your writing process. Regular checks can help guide your writing, ensuring you're on track with your goals or restrictions. Moreover, if you're someone who loves keyboard shortcuts, Microsoft Word has you covered. Although accessing the character count through the bottom screen is straightforward, learning the specific shortcut to open the word count dialog box directly can make your process even faster. These shortcuts can vary depending on your version of Word and your operating system. So I recommend a quick search to find the one that works for your setup. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to using the character count feature in Microsoft Word. This tool is more than just about adhering to restrictions, it's about gaining insights into your writing patterns. Are you more verbose in your storytelling than necessary? Or perhaps you need to flesh out sections with more detail? The character count feature, while simple, offers a gateway into deeper analysis of your work. By integrating regular checks into your writing routine, you're not just meeting requirements, you're actively working to improve your craft. And remember, every writer has their unique style and pace, so use these tools in a way that best supports your creative process. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned author, tools like the character count in Microsoft Word are designed to make your writing journey smoother and more productive. Thank you for joining me today in exploring how to use the character count feature in Microsoft Word. Happy writing, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive into more tips and tricks to enhance your writing and productivity within Microsoft Word. Stay tuned.